Hello, hello, hello. We're back. Not that it matters, but we're back. Life. Well, let's try this again. Let me know if you can hear me. If there's anybody even here, I don't even know. Okay, good. And hello, patient. So no idea why my mic stopped working right in the middle of the stream. Had to reboot the computer to get it going again. Hey, Nicholas. I haven't seen you in a long time. I'm doing alright. I am, last week was a myriad of issues. So, now I had to restart everything, so I'm like totally discombobulated. I guess I can get rid of this. How do I delete that? There we go. So I'm, like I said, I'm totally discombobulated here now, trying to figure out where I need to be. I had to restart everything, so I had to restart NinjaTrader, Tradovate, all that fun stuff. Coming down here, 5 minutes till the 4 minutes till the open. Need to figure out why that. It's the second time my mic's caused an issue in the last little bit. But the first time was after a reboot. I just thought something didn't start. Now, never plopped out of me on the in the middle of a stream before. So we shall see how it goes the rest of the day. So before this, I was only 1 for 3 on the day. My one was very small, so I'm down on the day, which is fine. I think I got everything back up and running I need up and running. Got frustrated, banged my hand on my desk, because that hurts now. Retreating. A big move down here. I swear, this last few weeks, nothing is going right anyway. I'm just getting frustrated. Big move down here right before the bell. Wow. 20 points down. Oh. Okay, where's my Discord? There we go. Doesn't look like I missed much during that audio issues time. What did the crew do at its open? Up and down. Natural gas, big bounce. And we'll get ready for the bell. 45 seconds to go. Interesting move here right before the bell. This big candle. Wow. So that candle ended up being 22.5 points. And we see it continuing to push down. New low of day. Previous low overnight was 556. We're down to 548. ES also falling. Now Dow's bouncing. It fell, but it's coming back up. Agriculture. Open. Soybeans up. Soybean meal down. Corn up. There's a bounce now coming back up. What's gold doing? Gold's trying to come up after it kind of bounced off its 100. Didn't get down there exactly, but close enough for government work, as they say. Okay, coming back down. Now Dow's almost a doji, but ES and NQ both showing strong moves down. 20 points down here since the open and over 40 in the last 10 minutes. Up there's the Dow. So the Dow just gave it up as well. Down 30 points. ES down 4.5. Wow, big fall. Well, better. I mean, had to reboot the computer. It sucked. I hate it when the streams get broken up. And the markets decided to just dump. Big move down. So we're down 34 points here. Well below the Bollingers here in the 5-minute. And on the 15 for that matter. Big move up on corn. It's kind of corny. No sign of a bounce yet. Less than 10 minutes ago, we were at 583. Now we're at 525. So about a 60-point drop in the last 10 minutes. Dow's giving a little bit of a bounce attempt again. ES has a little bit of a bottom wick. And Q saying, nope, not me. Not me. The Russell. The Russell is heading up. Lean Hogs opened higher. There's a bounce, somewhat. Got down to 517 up to 524. Still coming down strong. 40 points. 5-minute candle closes. Braver man than me might have taken that bounce. I was thinking about it. Up 10 points quick. But you don't want to, there's that saying about not catching a falling knife. No, Burrow, no news today at all. Unless something just happened. There was no scheduled news. Let me go look to see if there's any surprise news. World Bank news came out. World Bank, we see China's economy growing. World Bank increases 2023 global growth forecast to 2.1 from 1.7 on greater than expected resilience in major economies. The only reason I can see that might because they think the market, they're going to continue raising interest rates, but even so, I mean, it shouldn't close that much. Hey, Juan? Just trying to bounce here. Got well below its third band. Bounce is short-lived. Damn it. 504 is our new low here on NQES. Low is now 42.68. I'm struggling here. It's trying to pop up. Candle closes in 5 seconds. Trying to recover here. Not looking strong though. Up 10 points on this candle. CES also, nice little doji there. That was a great reversal candle on ES. Coming back up Dow, trying to gain everything that it lost on the opening candle, which wasn't actually much. Dow only came down 20 points. Not a big fall. Just waiting for something. Let's see what agriculture's doing. Kind of forgot about my favorite little agriculture stuff there. So a good move down on soybeans. Corn's all wishy-washy though. Crude, sideways. Natural gas, big move up. Big boom, you could say. Ultra bond. Big move down here at the open as well. That's an 8-tick move down. A little bit more than with the wick. Gold also moved down. So like everything kind of started dying at once. See wheat falling big. I wonder, I mean, is that World Bank news that important? That's why I wish Mr. G came back. And coming right back down. Trying to see if there's anything worth trading. So far, no. Let's see the 1 minute what it looked like, though. Yeah, 1 minute. Those blue candles there at that big blue pool, that would have got me 22 up to 40. That would have been good, actually. That would have been worth it. Hey, John? There's a break of the 20. Turner finally broke out of his season-long slump. I hope that continues. He's been horrible this year so far. I looked at the Tigers lineup before the game yesterday. I'm like, they have like 5 people with an OPS below 600. Ouch. And Miggy, he has every right to go out how he wants, but my God, if he doesn't pick it up by the All-Star break, he should retire at the All-Star game. Yep, I was gonna take this up and I didn't, and you can see it is heading up. Yeah. Thing is, though, I mean, yeah, he's hung on too long. But how do you retire and say no to that money? I mean, he's made what over those last 4 years? He's made $122 million over those last 4 years. Hard to hard to say no to that. The big rise up, gaining back almost everything it lost so far this opening candle. ZS, ES is actually flirting with a golfing candle here, but on the 15, not one I like though. Miguel Cabrera, the Detroit Tigers, John Burrell. We've got all the way back up to that 20 EMA. Quite the climb back up. And back down. Excuse me 1 second. Right back down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Wow, purple candle back down. I hate big purple candles. Pulling back here a little bit. Still 2 minutes to go in this candle. Lack of news catalyst today had the market kind of like hemming and haul, and then we had this big move down and then the rebound. I still see no reason for that unless it was responding to the World Bank stuff. I can't believe that they had that much of a reaction. Reminder, folks, that for those that trade indices, the S&Q, Russell, and Dow, that the contract roll happens at the end of this week. But be careful because some people might roll early, so you might see lower volumes. No Ace. Ace must not realize I'm streaming again. Yay, yeah. I had to reboot the freaking computer to fix the audio issue. I don't know what's causing that. I used to love computers. I'm beginning to hate them. We're coming right back down. Market trying to figure out where it wants to go with its life. I know that feeling all too well. Yeah, RJ says Ace never will. I'm not sure. Ace is... Dow with a move down. Give me a purple candle there. Just kind of hemming and hawing here. If anything else, copper coming down, but didn't really give any signals. Gold still falling. Wow, well, day. Big time hemorrhage there on gold. Ultra bond. Ooh, that was a nice purple candle there. Led to that. That was nice. Trust it. Crude oil falling. No, rising. I'm sorry. Heading up. Good idea. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. My mic's still working? Okay. Trying again to come down. Looks like it wants to come down, but what do I know? See down there. Trying to come down, but nope, popping right back up. Oh, man. Wow. And then back down for NQ. Yep. Nothing fun today so far. Except for the Russell. Wow, look at the Russell. Russell, big blue candle there from the open and just continues to go up. Wow. Got about an hour to go. Zip push down. It just, yeah, we're choppy. One minute chart. As I am that board. Anyone else taking any trades? There's a little move there. Yep, back down. Nice. Good job, John. Golf game go yesterday. Nice. Good improvement. Gold trying to pop back up. Platinum also popping. Crude oil making a nice move. And look at YM coming up strong. Copper also coming. There's a blue candle on NQ as well. Trying to get back up. It's been very choppy in this area. 1 minute chart. Oops. Wrong asset. Doop, 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 doop. Having a nice, not really didn't really scream take me. But it would have been a nice take. He's pulling right back. Dow's looking strong. That's a 50-point move up on the Dow. ES, 5 points. So everything not named NQ is moving up. So blue candle there, right below the 20. Strong moves by both ES and YM. Taking a long here. Better stop there. A little late on that entry. Not that late. Let's see what we do. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Take that. 6 points. No? Yeah, 6 and a quarter. Nice, John. I also just scalped there. Wish I'd been a little quicker on the trigger there and got out at 10 points, but I need to set up some ATMs here on the Tradovate platform. I'm gonna go now. So I should have been more patient there, but took the quick scalp. Definitely should have been more patient. I always tell myself when you're seeing these type of plays coming back up to shoot for the 100 EMA, and you can see it tickled that 100 EMA perfectly. And that would have given me like 16 points. Now, why was I so jumpy there? It wasn't really, this wasn't a fear thing or anything like that. We've been so choppy over the last half hour. And you can see that's why I was hesitant. You can see it just gave it all back. So, once I saw it, it hit about 10 points up and then started pulling back. So I jumped out and then made one more quick move up before giving it all away. But this is why I was jumpy, because there's been no show of strength. No news catalyst today. Market's struggling to find any type of direction. And yep, this candle's now red as it got 30 seconds till its close. He was hanging right around the overnight low of 556. Obviously, it broke that low after the open, but seems to have some Velcro in the area. Might be trying again, but we'll see. Copper trying to do a band bounce. We have an ag. Agatha Christie. Russell, look at that. Russell's still going. Look at that. Look at this beautiful move on the Russell. Even on the 5-minute, look at that. Beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. Straight up. And look at NQ coming down. Folks still got a week on that Apex sale. They extended it again, 80% off. And Elite Trader Funding's 65% off sale has been extended through tomorrow. Dow trying to pop up again here, even as NQ shows weakness. Dow's trying to pop up. You see the blue candle there. Got about 90 seconds on it. ES is also giving us a blue candle. Let's look at the Dow. It's broken through that resistance that I talked about earlier, where it kept hitting boom, 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 boom. You see it hit like 6 different times. Finally broke down. Now it came back up again. Couldn't hold above it. Now it's trying again. Get rid of that line as well. "45 seconds on these blue candles. Trying to see where we're sitting. 54 there. Okay, well, good. Hey Sid, how you been? I have a blue candle now on NQ as well. I'm in on the Dow. Off that blue candle. Took that instead of the NQ. See where we go. You can see it there. Let me give you a little more space to see what the Dow wants to do for me. NQ might have been the better choice here. As Dow's coming down, NQ's coming up. Figures. None of them are showing really a lot of conviction. NQ's showing the better conviction so far. It's gone 7 points, whereas the Dow's come back down by 14. Yep. Yeah, look at that strong move there on NQ. It's not real strong, but still. Looking much better than the Dow. I blame RJ. Even though RJ is missing. Darn, 10 points there. Would have been nice. The Dow tricked me with its blue candle and it's going to stop me out right here. Oh, there we go. Nice bounce there on gold. How's the trading been going, Sid? Wow, big boom up there. So NQ's sticking its tongue out of me like you're going to cheat on me with Dow? I'll show you. Awesome, Chase. Sounds like you're staying busy and happy. Maybe we'll pull back here. So we approach 10:30. It's been a choppy morning. Big move down at the open. Then it's been chopping back up. Gained almost all of it back, even the candle prior to the open. Audio issues forced my stream to end earlier. Got it back up and running. Fortunately, it didn't. I had to restart everything. Russell's been the winner of the day. There's a huge move up here on the Russell. The Ultra Bond trying to pop back up. I've been a good candle. Wasn't a engulfing, but it's a nice doji there. Green doji that could have, with the blue pool, could have told me it was coming up. Don't have a signal for that, so. We're not really doing anything right here now. Let's see, crude. Wow, look at the crude. Look at the crude. Look at the crude. Crude heading up. And look at natural gas. That move did not sustain on gold. Excuse me. Gold. Wheat's trying to pop up there. Looks like copper wants to come down. It's got a long way to go in this candle. We're about a half an hour away from the end of the stream. Let's see if we get anything else here. We're hemming and hawing around the 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart. And on the 15-minute chart in reality. I can answer that, John. Matter of fact, I can give me a minute. I can show you a picture because I got Sid on my Facebook and he often shares pictures of it there. Give me a second. There we go. Let me figure out. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Give me 1 second. Yep. That's Sid's car. I don't know what kind. I mean, you asked what kind of car. I don't actually. I'm not sure what kind of car it is. So, if Sid's still here, can answer. It's probably somewhere if I look hard enough. There you go. John knows. Yeah. Another view of it. Hold on. Bouncing here. Copper does look like it wants to come down. Still got 8 minutes on that candle. He's giving a blue candle, but right now it's sandwiched between the 20 and the 100, and I don't like EMA sandwiches. Okay, so part of that FUD we saw earlier that caused the market drop, I think, is the fact that the SEC is on a tear right now. I missed this. I totally missed this headline thinking it was just about Binance. The SEC is now suing Coinbase as well. And it's when that news came out is when we started seeing this fall here. So, and you can see here the crypto market kind of did the same fall. Now, what's interesting is how quickly the crypto market bounced back up. No, I shouldn't say crypto market, Bitcoin. I haven't looked at anything else crypto. You see the Ethereum drop there as well. Well, their Ethereum dropped and then kept going and then finally rebounded. But yeah, so right now Gary Gensler is on an absolute tear against crypto. And you see we're just stuck in this range right now between these 20 and the 100 EMA on the 5. Here's what that looks like on the 1. You can see just chop. Chop, 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 chop. Tomorrow we do have at least one small market catalyst, I believe. We have Canadian trade balance, U.S. trade balance tomorrow, and the Bank of Canada rate statement and rate decision tomorrow. Oh, and Yellen might be speaking tomorrow as well. John DeFore, does the Bank of Canada rate decision usually move the market? Figure I'll ask the Canadian banker. That's what I figured. Financial Juice was making a big deal out of it. Come trade the Canadian the rate decision with us. Like it's all right. Thank you, John. Yeah, we're just kind of slow. Looks like we're going to end the day in a whimper. Oh, whimper. Not sure why I'm speaking some sort of weird Australian there. Or I don't even know what that was. Awesome. Great job, Andrew. Especially in this market, that's an excellent job. Is it doing better for you? NQ's popped back up over that 100 now. Looks like it wants to break up. YM did send a blue candle there. Kind of was lulled me to sleep. But you see it's working. Darn, I missed that one. All right, John. So we'll have to talk about Detroit and Philly then on Thursday. So all of a sudden, the big burst up here. YM, if I had taken that blue candle, that's up 40 points. We're seeing a nice burst. High a day, 615, and we're up to almost to 600. I agree with Sid. Well done, John. Wow, that's interesting, Andrew. I'm not sure I can handle that. I always expect ranges to break, even though they often don't. And you got up to 598, which is the high of the since we've opened. Overnight high was 615. ES is at its high of day. And the Russell just keeps going to the moon. Now I have breakdowns on a regular basis. I just hide it well. So this kind of lulled me to sleep. The failure of that last blue candle. I'm looking at this now. So I took this blue candle and it was way too close to these bands. I was thinking it was going to expand the bands, but it didn't. This was more perfect. This was my play, and I didn't take it. I didn't closer to the EMA and just nice boom. Yeah, look at that go. So we broke 600, heading toward that high day. Big bounce there on copper. Gold being all wishy-washy. Dang, I missed a great. I missed my trade of the day here, obviously. Trade of the day is brought to you by. Okay, so we got the 606, pulling back just a tad. I agree, Andrew. Find what works for you the best system that works for you personally and ride that sucker to the bank. Don't discount it. I mean, whatever can make money. So to not get the high, pulling back. I mean, it's obviously high since we've opened. There's the pullback slightly. Yes, slightly. Slightly. 5 minutes left to go in the stream. Down 250 today, which is okay. 4 decisions on my part. So pulls back here after that nice rise up, back under 600. So hopefully tomorrow my mic won't give out. Not sure what's going on with my audio lately. I don't know, there's just something weird going on with my computer right now. I like the audio stops working and I have to restart it. And that was the second time in the last like 3-4 weeks that the mic stopped working. Most likely it's one of these stupid Windows updates that mess something up. They seem to have them every week anymore. Well, my audience is already hurting because apparently me taking that week off last week, the people decided to not come back, which is understandable. You know. So we're going to call it a day here. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern. Try and take some more money from the markets. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you then. Bye. Hey, Glitch, you always arrive just as I'm ending. So I hope you have a great day, Glitch, and try and get here a little bit earlier tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.